Hi, obtaining financing is difficult these days, partly due to the stress test, partly due to the major bank only look at your local income, especially in such big immigration city. In time like this, it will be very beneficial to have an expert who is well versed all the lending process and all the lenders. Today we have a special guest, Ivan Tan, from Clear Trust Mortgage, who will share with us his expertise, and my homeboy Shawn, who will conduct this interview. I'm Leo from 3 Guys in Vancouver. Enjoy the show.
All right, Ivan, can you give us a quick introduction of yourself?
Hi, I'm Ivan from Clear Trust Mortgage's Blundell Rd Group. We've been ranked one of the top 10 producing mortgage brokers in Canada by CNP for the past 7 years in a row.
Okay, the first question I have for you guys today is, why would people choose mortgage brokers? So in other words, how do mortgage brokers differ from mortgage specialists at banks?
As a mortgage specialist, you have to look after the best interests for the bank. However, as a mortgage broker, we're independent agents. As independent agents, we have no bias to push the client towards any specific options. It is in our best interest to provide the best option to the client to retain the client.
Okay, so what you're saying is, you have access to all the lenders?
We do have access to a lot of lenders out there. We can provide a lot of different options to the client catering to their needs. Since we're a top producing mortgage broker team, we do have dedicated underwriters for each lender. This way, we do have quicker turnaround time, as quick as even 24 hours.
Wow, okay, 24 hours, that's really good. This is really important for deals where you have a short subject removal period, because you don't want to be on the edge of your seat all the way to the end to find out whether you qualify or not, right? So by using a mortgage broker such as Ivan himself, you will be able to know fairly early on during your subject removal period. And then you'll have a better idea of where you stand and then whether you can complete the deal or not.
Also, if you were to proceed with mortgage broker, we'll only have to pull your credit bureau once, and then we can just send it to a lender that fits your requirement.
Oh, okay. So as what I know, if you go to the bank, say you would have to get their credit check, and then if you don't qualify, you go to the next bank, they have to pull your credit check again, and then I heard that affects your credit score. Is that right?
Yes, each time you go to a lender, they will have to do a credit check, and each credit check will affect your credit score.
Okay, you guys gotta really protect your credit scores, right? All right, cool. That about wraps up the interview. I hope you guys learned something from Ivan, and then if you have any questions regarding your mortgage or anything finance related, please give him a call. He is available 24/7. If you have anything you want to clarify or discuss, please leave a comment below and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. My name is Shawn from 3 Guys in Vancouver, and this is Ivan from Blundell Rd Group. Give me a call and let us help you maximize your future, the money in your pocket, and achieve your real estate dreams. Thank you so much for coming today, Ivan.
Thanks for having me, Shawn.